Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, it is Motivation Friday, and today I will be talking about don't quit when it gets hard. So let's get into the video and let's get motivated. All of us, we have goals. Goals which we want to accomplish in the future. Just some of us may have goals where we want the six-figure salaries, i.e., the big bucks, or even work in the biggest companies. All of us have these goals whether we admit it or not. You can always say, I don't have any goals, but deep down you know you have some. Now, I can't decide what your goals are because I don't know what you want in your life. I don't know what your mission is, what legacy you want to leave in this world. So never let people decide what your goals are, first of all. You decide your goals because no one knows what you are thinking, what you want, etc. No one knows each other 100% no matter how many people say they do. Now, all of us believe goals are achieved in a linear way. By linear way, I mean that you make your goal and you get to the goal and finish it in a straight line with no hurdles. But we fail to account for many different things like our own motivation for that goal, the path to getting that goal, etc. And once you look at this more in depth, you realize that getting to the goal is never really a straight line. It's a zigzag path which will test you at every moment. And at each of these peaks or zigzags, we always want to quit because that's where the struggle is. But just remember, never quit at those struggles because that's just a hurdle. A hurdle just to test whether you really want this or not. You should want to finish that goal as bad as you have to breathe. And only when you want to achieve that goal as bad as you want to breathe do you actually become successful, finish your goals and everything that you want to do. So never quit because those are just hurdles, and that quit thing, it's just a sort of it's just your fear seeking in, and that's just done by human body to protect you from what's coming. But what's coming is the world never really understands. Only you do. You should understand that after these hurdles, there may be more hurdles. But at one point, just like a tunnel, it comes to an end. And at that end, there's a success and the goal which you earn through all your hard work and everything. Now, if you haven't thought about quitting many times, that may be a good thing. But if you never feel like quitting, it also may be a bad thing. That means life is too easy. You need to take some action. You need to do something out of the box. Like solving the exact same math problem over and over again and being like, oh yes, I am so great at mathematics. That's the same thing repeated, and that's not really a great thing. You should try every single possible question method, every single possible way to solve the question. That may be your goal as well, to become good in mathematics. But to become good, you first have to put in the effort. And this effort is hard to get to. Like all of us know, we have that resistance to do something. Like, let's say that I want to read a book. That's a resistance. Do I really want to read this book? Should I just watch some Netflix? Should I watch some Netflix series, binge watching, etc.? But what that really is doing is it just pushing back your goal, and then sooner or later you'll feel like you wasted the time. I'm not saying never relax. You can relax, obviously, but if you have a goal in mind and you want to do something about it, take the first few steps. I'm not saying do everything at once. Take the first steps like get the book, maybe read the back cover, maybe read some summaries online. Those are the first steps which will get you out of this resistance area of your goal and then into the actual goal itself. Because when you get over this fear which you have about starting a goal or completing a goal, good things happen. Unfortunately, there's nothing that I can really say to make you want to do these goals or make it easier for you to start these goals. Life is not easy. We've all learned that in some way or another. No matter what you do, there will always be some hurdle. And those hurdles are really the test of you. They test whether you really want it. And if you want it as bad as you need to breathe, only then you will succeed. At some points, you may want that goal so much you may forget to do normal things like drink water or even eat. That just shows how much you want the goal. So from this Motivation Friday video, these are 3 things you should take away. 1. Never quit when it gets hard. Because those are just small hurdles which you have to over. You have to finish them and get over those hurdles. Because past those hurdles is a real success. Success is never a straight line. Success is always achieved in a way, much like Brownian motion. There is a particle going from one side to the next. It doesn't go in a straight line. It goes all around the area and then finally reaches at one point. That is much like how our goals happen and how we complete them. 2. You should always try to complete your goal, because if you are in pain from that goal, you should not quit. You've already taken in the pain. Try to get a reward from it. And 3. When the going gets tough, try harder. Because the more you try, the more you succeed. This one experiment was done where two groups were made and they had to make pottery pots. One group could only make one pottery pot and the other could make 20. The group which had made 20 pots made a better pot at the end. That's because over their repeated failures, they learned something. And that is exactly what these goals are testing you. They're trying to make you fail. But each time that you pass one of these failed measures, you get to the next one, you pass that, and you prove to yourself that you're greater than you think you are. You can do anything. Your potential is always there. It's just bottled up. It's dormant. It's waiting for a moment that you can unleash it. And once you unleash it, will you truly succeed? And will you truly believe you can do anything? So that's all for this video. I know it's sort of serious and a tad bit, actually no, it's very serious in a sort. But anyways, thank you for watching this video. I hope you found it to be motivational, and I hope that you found it to be inspirational as well. Up here you can find a subscribe bell icon. Over here you can subscribe to my channel to view more of these Motivation Friday videos and be informed of my new uploads. Over here you will see a video which YouTube recommends for you, and over here you'll see my newest upload, which is right here. So thank you for watching once again, and I hope you enjoy your day, and see you in the next video.